Okay, guys, like some 30, 40 people pointed out yesterday, I put the foil on the wrong side. Yes, I did. So here's new foil. And we're going to cut out a nice piece. Okie dokie. And we're going to put it on the right way. So I'm going to give it a little bit of tape. Just a little bit of tape. Just so it sticks properly. Okie dokie. Then we're going to have a little bit of paper. There we go. And we're going to pop it through. There it is. And it is going through. And I see my little light didn't come back on. So I might put it through twice. As we're doing that, I'm going to show you the ones I made. These are the ones I'm going to do for the giveaway. Guys, some have a tiny little flaws in them. And I'm not sure why that is. Here I have a little flaw, and there I have a little flaw. I will show it to you. I'm not sure if you can see it. Yeah, there it is. See that? There's a little bit of reflection in there. And I have that in this one also. There it is on the side. See that? There it is. So I'll show it to you in a bit, and then we'll do the giveaway. Ooh, and I have one with a little air bubble in it. Okay. Shall I run it through again? I think it's better if I do it again because the little light came on. So just to be on the safe side, we want to do it twice. I'm gonna cut up the all the names that I've sponsored, and I'm going to let you guys choose which one you want. These are nice little keychains. These are nice little hangers. There's one with a little air bubble there in the bottom, but okay. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. That one I fixed because it had a little bumps in them, but now it doesn't. So that's the giveaway. Now they're coming, this is coming out fine, and we'll see if it works. I'm guessing on not, because what I said yesterday, that powdery stuff gets in the paper and leaves not enough of that stuff to cling to this thing, but we'll see. Okie dokie. Time of truth. Does look like it did something, but we'll see. Nah. See that, guys? It just doesn't work. So that's because the paper is... There are little glittery things on it, but it's because the paper is just... it absorbs this. And you have to have something where it stays on top a little bit. So that's it. And this is the right side up of the paper. Shiny side up. Yeah, it's too bad it didn't work. Let's see if we can do something else though. Let us see what we can do about this. What I'm going to try is put some of this glue stuff on it. But see, this would be a lot of work. Because who wants to do this? See, the fun part of this whole thing is that you just print something, run it through the machine, and then you got it on there. This is really warm, so that glue stuff will be sort of dried out before I even get time to put it on. Yeah, I know it takes a long time. Okay, we'll see if this works. Okay, putting it through again. This time without the paper on top. Going pretty fast though. Maybe that's it. But I think there are more of these that you have two temperatures. You can, you know, put it on the normal one and just a little bit hotter one. Yeah, that doesn't work either. You know what happened? There was so much there was so much glue on it that it just spread out the glue like a big blotch. And okay, I think I think I've done enough experimenting with this stuff. See that? That's where the glue sort of spread out and it's got that stuff stuck on it. That's right, but this is absolutely not what we want. No, not very pretty. Okay guys, I'm gonna give this a rest because this is just a mess. Okay, I'm gonna cut up the sponsor list and we'll do the draw. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna put it behind this video. So see you in a bit. Okay guys, this is then the giveaway. So I have all the names cut out, as you can see, and this is the complete list of January 2019 for people wanting to sponsor. This is what you put in: www.paypal.me/Ridderhof So that's me. And I'd like to thank you all again for sponsoring me in January. Very much appreciated. Now, I'm going to do it differently because I just thought I would. So I'm going to put the towel over here. The towel. Now, I'm going to get my hand in here, take out 2, and then you guys can choose, and I'll show you what you can choose for, okay? So, mixing it all up. Okay, let's feel if I got 1. Yes, I have 1. This is Fly By Night Enterprises. So that's number 1. Then the next one, let me feel. Yes, that's 1. And this is Marna McLend. So these 2 people have won the giveaway of January 2019. And I will tell you what I'm going to give away. So you can choose a painting. And this one, they're ready to go because as you can see, this is a really beautifully varnished. This one is varnished like resin, so very shiny, has a little glitter in it. There it is. That's number 1. Did I number them? Oh no, I did. I did. Oh, wait a minute. This is number 1. Yes, number 1. It's ready to go. As you can see here, number 1. Then I have number, I'll put a number on here, number 2. The 3 is always on there. That's for some reason. So this is number 2. Very pretty, varnished, ready to go. Then we have the glittery one, which is number 3. This is the one I put on myself with a little dot. So this is number 3. Then I have number 9. That's this one. Varnished and ready to go. And then I have this one is number 8. Put a little dot there. Number 8. And this one is pretty, has a little bit of glitter on it. And this one's ready to go also. Then of course you can choose out of the pendants. So these are all the pendants. Here's a little, this one has a little bubble in it, I think. Well, they do have a kind of little flaws. I can't help it, people, but they do have them. But I think if you just wear it, I don't think it'll be that much. See, there's a little flaw there. See that? And in this one has a little flaw. Also, there a little bit. There's, I don't know how that happens, so I'll have to figure that out. This one is done. And as you can see, there's a little bit of glitter in there. So let me put the numbers. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, we do 7s like that. Then we have 8. We don't do 8s like that. That's something that I just did because I was in the USA a lot. This is 11 and this one is 12. Okay, this is it. So either your choice, a painting or one of these. Whatever you choose, you can choose. Okay guys, thanks for this. I'm gonna mix up a little bit of paint. I'm gonna do 1 flip cup with a little bit of dusting. And then we're going to call it a day because I'm sort of losing my mojo. And I know a lot of people have been talking about that. And, you know, they ask me, how do you get your mojo back? Well, usually I spend a lot of time online. I just go on YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, all of those sites that show you a lot of art. And then I usually get my mojo back in no time. What causes it is usually something... like right now, the stuff going on at my work, that's sort of eating up my mojo. But then when you do these beautiful hangers, and some of them have these little flaws in them, that sort of really burns your behind. So that sort of is a mojo killer. See, this one, the number 2, has a tiny little air bubble in it. Right there. Can't help it. That's how the cookie crumbles. Yes, this one's kind of pretty too. I like this one too. Has a lot of little cells in it, has a little bit of glitter in it. Very nice. This would be lovely on a turquoise beaded thingy. Okay people, thanks for watching. See you in a minute. Liebe euch alle. Hou voor jullie allemaal. Love you all to pieces. Bye bye.